Yes. Here we go. Oh, I forgot I had paint on my nose. Shit.
I've been seeing these on Pinterest for years and I finally decided to do one for myself. Let's take your mixer from this to that. First, I cleaned with white lightning to get rid of all the gross. I then covered all of the existing chrome and knobs and extra parts with blue painter's tape. The trick to doing this is using this product right here. This is Slick Stick. It allows you to paint over metal and other slick surfaces. I used a premium chip brush and I apply it all over with the stippling motion. Apply one coat, let dry overnight, and follow with a second coat and let dry a few hours.
I don't know how heavy these are. These things are so heavy. So what I did was I taped off, you know, the silver band that goes around. I taped that off. I taped all of this. This actually comes off, y'all. This actually unscrews and pulls out, and I could have just left it off, but I didn't like the idea of paint getting in the thread hole here. It left it open and I felt like it might glob up. And I'm going to use her transfer. It's called Fresh Picked 50s Transfer. So she's got these sheets right here, which is this, looks kind of like a vintage wallpaper sheet of strawberries, which is pretty much the one that everyone's been using. That's tried the strawberries. It's the Fresh Pick 50s. It's got an apricot background with these really, really large, very delicious looking strawberries. So I just wanted a little pop of color in the kitchen. The kitchen doesn't have any color in it at all. So I will be cutting out, I'm not going to use her apricot, but I'm going to cut it out and use just the individual strawberries. I just want a pop of fun, and I'm kind of over the red.
I then chose the Gulf, which is a vintage blue-green, which I absolutely love.
I'm looking like a Smurf. This is just how I feel right now. Isn't it a beautiful color? It is such a beautiful color.
I applied it with the same premium chip brush and the same stippling motion.
And I have it all taped off. So I waited to take my tape off today with y'all.
I love that color.
Woo! Cutting my first strawberry. So I haven't even cut my very first one up here.
Okay.
Okay, so then the next trick is you have to peel the backing off. All right, here we go. Yay, look at my little berry. It's so cute. You can do whatever you want in the Wonderland. I'm going to go around the corner. I'm going to be really daring. I got a little tiny piece of the backing like this, and I put it back behind the leaf and just started to separate it like so. This one, I'm going to actually put it on the side like this, coming up off of the silver trim. So I'm going to put it right along the line of the silver trim like so.
Look how cool it looks.
I like mine. I like to crack mine in the cracks. My last strawberry. Here it is.
Boom.
Just added 2 top coats in satin and it is ready to roll.